Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great way to get rid of dark neck. Okay, now dark neck can come as a result of so much of exposure to sun and some of this chemical cream that you actually buy in the market, and it can actually be caused by dryness. Okay, if your skin is excessively dry. Okay, so now that you've known some of the causes, you know how to prevent it. Okay, and this home remedy that I'm going to be showing you is going to help you to scrub out those already stored dead skin cells, and your skin is going to glow, your skin is going to get brighter, and your skin is going to get really flawless. Okay, if you want to know what all of this is all about, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let me take you right into this video. To get rid of dark neck, guys, we're going to be making use of ground floor. Now ground floor is essential for the skin because it helps to get rid of dark patches, pigmentation. It also reduces the size of fine lines, large and open pores, and it makes the skin really flawless. So we're gonna be needing a bowl, and we're gonna be scooping out 1 tablespoon of pure ground floor. Now you can buy this online, guys, okay, and Amazon. Baking soda is required for this remedy because baking soda is a great exfoliating remedy that works in removing dark patches. It helps to lighten up the skin, and it also helps to leave the skin really flawless and youthful. So I'm going to be scooping in 2 spoonfuls of teaspoon, which is about 1 tablespoon, and then I'll be giving that a mix. Then we are going to be making use of rice powder. Now rice powder is essential for the skin. It has been used in ancient times for a beauty regime. It helps so much to lighten up the skin. It closes a large and open pores. It helps for pimples, and it also helps for dark spots. So I'm going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of rice powder, and then we would have to stir it again and dry mix it. Okay, perfect. So the next ingredient is going to be tomato. Now tomato is great for the skin. It helps to slow the growth of a new hair. It also helps to retain moisture onto the skin, and it helps in repairing the skin pores by closing it all up. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is to create this tomato. Or you can blend it if you want, okay, because it's actually easier for me to create it, and it also gets smooth when I create it just like this. So after creating it, I would have to be transferring it into this mix, and then I would have to stir it. Okay, Now we'll have to put in a little bit of water, or if you're having lemon close by, you can actually use it also. It's perfect. Okay guys, so this is it for a dark neck, okay, and it's gonna be really perfect. So you can actually use this about 4 times in a week to tone up your neck, and it's gonna help you so much. Except maybe you are actually having some situation in which your neck is dark, you know, like mine. Okay, other than that, if you use this, it's gonna work for you, but consistency is perfect, is the key to using this. Alright, so look on my neck, dark neck. Okay, now if you're like me with a dark neck, you use this ingredient and it will help you so much to get rid of your dark neck. Now there are natural factors that causes dark neck, just like the one I have, okay? So if yours is not natural, if you're exposed to some chemical creams that's actually making your neck dark, then you have to stay away from those kind of creams, okay? Because when you're actually still using those creams and you're trying this natural homemade remedy, I'm sorry, it's actually not going to work, and you are going to be the one at the comment section saying it didn't work. But of course you didn't follow the rules. So stop using all of those chemical cream, except you're actually like so exposed to the sun. But most of the time you have to prevent it by wearing a turtleneck, so that it's not going to leave your neck looking darker than your skin. But if you're not using any cream that is actually reacting negatively to your skin, I mean, you do not have any reason, except maybe you're pregnant, okay? Just like me, I wasn't having dark neck before, but now look at my neck, it's so dark. But yeah guys, so you apply this onto your neck. Apply everywhere. Yeah. Now after you apply this, you have to give it a mild massage. Now the massage is so that, you know, to remove all of those darkness around and to exfoliate your skin also. So you massage, a gentle massage, just a gentle one. And you also have to be consistent, yeah? This ingredient, you can actually use it 3 times in a week if you're having a very horrible dark neck. 3 times in a week and your dark neck will get lighter, okay? So after you've massaged it this way, then you can hold it on for some while, for like 2 to 3 minutes, okay? If you're experiencing the same thing at your back, I don't know if my back there is dark, like out here, because I can't honestly see it. Okay, but I know it's actually not as dark as the front side. But if yours is dark, you can apply there, okay? And then it will help you to remove the darkness around there, okay? So after like 3 to 4 minutes, you then go wash it off with a toilet soap. I use black soap, okay? Wash it off with a toilet soap, and your dark neck gradually would fade off. So that's it, guys. It is as simple as that. You scrub it all off and your neck is going to get lighter and your neck is going to get even. Okay, so it's actually going to be the same like every other, you know, skin on your skin. Okay, for me, I am actually loaded, that's why my neck is dark. Okay, so if you love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye, guys.